Mnangagwa's SADC chairmanship, tainted by meddling claims. By problem mass out local news. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure as chair of the Southern African Development Community, SADC, has come under scrutiny, with observers alleging Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party interfered in electoral processes in neighboring countries. Mnangagwa officially handed over the chairmanship to Madagascan President Andry Rajoelina, ending a year at the helm of the 16-member regional bloc. His leadership revealed both opportunities and limits of regional diplomacy, particularly in addressing the Democratic Republic of Congo (DRC) conflict. During an extraordinary summit in Harare, Mnangagwa reaffirmed SADC's commitment to supporting the DRC's sovereignty amid intensified clashes between government forces and M23 rebels, which had already claimed the lives of South African and Malawian troops. A joint virtual summit with the East African community followed, endorsing a comprehensive peace process. Interference allegations. Despite this diplomatic progress, Mnangagwa's chairmanship was clouded by claims of political meddling in regional elections. Talent Rooser, High Commissioner of the Southern Africa Human Rights Lawyers, alleged that ZANU-PF facilitated voter manipulation in Mozambique. We have launched an investigation into what exactly transpired in Mozambique, which has led us to understand that there was interference by the ruling party, including claims that Zimbabweans were sent to vote during Mozambican elections, said Rooser. In Botswana, former President Ian Khama accused ZANU-PF of plotting to bolster the ruling Botswana Democratic Party's chances. In Namibia, opposition parties protested the use of a South African company linked to Zimbabwean businessman Wicknell Chivio to print ballot papers. Zimbabwean opposition leader Job Sikhala condemned ZANU-PF's conduct, branding it a threat to regional democracy. ZANU-PF's push for regional recognition has reached desperate levels. It is fast becoming a regional cancer, Sikhala said. Controversial congratulatory message. Mnangagwa also faced backlash for congratulating Mozambique's ruling Frelimo party for a resounding victory before official results were released. Critics said the move compromised SADC's impartiality. Opposition leader Linda Massareira argued the bloc had failed to address electoral disputes with seriousness. SADC has not been up to its task. It has always been lukewarm when it comes to electoral conflict, and it raises serious questions about its commitment, she said. Government response. Information Ministry Secretary Ndavaningi Mangwana dismissed the allegations as far-fetched. We accept that we do provide thought leadership in the region, and we have a lot of clout, but it is preposterous to allege that Zimbabwe determines who governs every country in the region. Mangwana posted on X, formerly Twitter. The accusations have left Mnangagwa's one-year SADC chairmanship under a cloud, with questions lingering over Zimbabwe's true role in shaping regional politics.